Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making bread and Salara. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. So to my bowl, I will be adding 3 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. Whisk that in until the salt and sugar has dissolved completely. Now I also will be adding 1 stick of butter, and that is softened butter, and 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. I love to do the first step by hand, so I'm mixing that in. Then I'll add some flour and continue to mix. So now I transfer that to my bread mixer. And the measurement, guys, and the flour will also be in the description box. So then I turn that out on my flat surface, mix until that dough is kind of sticky. And here I would knead the bread dough until it becomes a nice firm dough. As I said, guys, I'm old school. I just love to knead by hand. And after the dough would have formed, I then grab some softened butter on top of my dough and allow this to sit, rest, to cook. Now for our Salara mixture, I have some flakes, that is some coconut flakes, some cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, coloring, and coconut extract, and a pinch of salt. That's the cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, coconut extract, and some food coloring. So here I'm rolling out my bread, and here I'm making about 6 round bread, and I'll also show you how I flat my bread as well. And that is my 6 round bread. So you have 3 pieces of dough, you roll it out to maybe a foot long or less, depends on the length of flat bread you want to have. And that's how it's done. So I'll put that aside and allow it to rise a little bit. Now the same bread dough, I have a piece there that I'm going to roll about 1/4 inch thick. I was in a nostalgic mood. I really wanted to have some red bread. So since I'm baking bread, why not? So before adding the mixture, I glazed the top of the dough with some melted butter. And now I'm adding my coconut mixture. Guys, the reason I didn't add any sugar because the flakes that I'm using is already sweetened. Now if you're using fresh grated coconut, which is highly recommended to use, you will have to add about a cup of sugar, depends on the amount of coconut you have. Now I'm going in with the roll. Yep, 3 rolls. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that, guys, is my Salara, aka red bread or coconut roll. So now they are ready for the oven. That is my beautiful bread, soft, moist, and delicious. I would remove the bread from the pan because for the Salara we have one more step. Here we're making a sling. Make sure that is dissolved, and then we're going to brush that on top of the Salara or the coconut roll, and then I'll place that roll back into the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, and that, guys, is our beautiful Salara, aka red bread, and now I'm going to cut into it, and that is how it looks inside. Tastes amazing and delicious. Guys, if you try this recipe, let me know. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you're already here, thank you for supporting my channel. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye. Enjoy.